Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to cover the complete IBM interview process step by step, so you know exactly what to expect in this every round and how to prepare smartly. IBM interviews usually begin with the aptitude and logical reasoning round. Then next comes the technical round where IBM focuses on your core fundamentals. Next, after that you face the coding round, which is usually test case based. For experienced role or product-focused teams, IBM may also include a system design or problem-solving discussions. Finally comes the HR round, which plays a crucial role in final selection. The key to cracking IBM interviews is not just technical knowledge, but also clear communication, structured thinking, and confidence. Whether you are a fresher or an experienced professional, preparing all rounds together gives you a huge advantage. Watch till this video and to understand IBM's interview expectations, common mistakes to avoid, and how to leave a strong impression in every round. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interview preparation content. All the best for your IBM interview. Prepare smartly and believe in your skills. So let's get started with the first specialties, that is IBM Cloud. What is IBM Cloud primarily based on? Hybrid Cloud. IBM Cloud Kubernetes service is used for container orchestration, which IBM service provides serverless computing. IBM Cloud Function. What does IaaS stand for? Infrastructure as a Service. IBM Cloud Object Storage is best for unstructured data. Which cloud model allows on-prem plus cloud? Hybrid. OpenShift is mainly used for container platform. Which protocol secures cloud communication? HTTPS. IBM Cloud VPC provides isolated network. Which database is fully managed on IBM Cloud? DB2 on Cloud. Auto-scaling helps to scale resources automatically. Which service manages secrets? Key Protect. SLA mainly defines availability guarantee. Which tool monitors cloud resources? Prometheus. IBM Cloud regions are used for latency optimization. Which service provides CI/CD? Tecton. Cloud elasticity means auto-scale down, which is not a cloud service model. DAS. Multi-tenancy means multiple users share infra. IBM Cloud IAM is used for access control and the coding snippets. Next one is IBM Mobile. If you want this PDF, you can message me on the WhatsApp number given in the video. Mobile First strategy means mobile as primary interface, which is cross-platform framework. React Native. IBM Mobile First was mainly for mobile backend services. REST APIs are commonly used in mobile apps. Which protocol is used by mobile APIs? HTTPS. Push notifications are sent using FCM-APNs. Mobile app latency is reduced by caching, which is Android language. Kotlin. iOS apps are developed using Swift. Offline support is implemented using local storage. OAuth is used for authentication. Mobile backend is usually cloud-based, which improves mobile UX. Async calls. Which DB is usually used locally in Android? SQLite. App crash logs are handled using Firebase Crashlytics, which is not mobile testing type. Kernel testing. Mobile security includes encryption, which handles app state. MyReduce. Mobile DevOps include CI/CD, which is a hybrid app framework, all, and the coding snippets. Next one is IBM Cognitive Watson. IBM Watson is primarily used for artificial intelligence. Watson mainly focuses on machine learning and NLP. NLP stands for natural language processing. Which Watson service is used for text analysis? Natural language understanding. Watson Assistant is used to build chatbots. Intent in Watson is to user goal. Entity in NLP means named object like data place. Which AI model learns from labeled data? Supervised. Watson Discovery is best for searching large documents. Sentiment analysis detects emotion polarity, which is not an AI learning type defined. Watson Studio is used for data science and ML models. Which algorithm is used for classification? Logistic regression. NLP tokenization means splitting text into units. Chatbot context stores conversation history. Watson speech to text converts speech to text. Watson text to speech outputs audio, which improves the model accuracy. Feature engineering. Overfitting means model memorizes training data. AI bias occurs due to biased training data and the coding snippets. Next one is IBM security. CIA tried stands for confidentiality, integrity, availability. Authentication verifies user identity. Authorization defines what you can access, which is a symmetric encryption algorithm. AES. Public key encryption uses two keys, which attack floods DDoS. Hashing is used for password storage. Auth is used for authentication. Authorization. HTTPS secures data using SSL TLS, which is not a malware. Firewall. SQL ingestion targets database. XSS affects client browser. Firewall filters network traffic. Zero trust means trust nobody by default. MFA improves security. IAM manages access control, which detects intrusions. IDS encryption at rest protects stored data. Brute force attack targets passwords. Security patching fixes vulnerabilities and the coding snippets. Next one is IBM Analytics. Analytics mainly helps organizations to make data-driven decisions. Descriptive analytics answers what happened. Predictive analytics focuses on future outcomes. Prescriptive analytics suggests actions to take, which is a BI tool. IBM Cognos. OLAP stands for Online Analytical Processing. Data warehouse stores historical structured data. ETL means extract transform load, which database is columnar. Snowflake. Big data is characterized by three B's. IBM Analytics supports which industry heavily? Healthcare, finance, retail. Data visualization helps to understand insights. Which chart shows trends? Line. Data cleansing removes noise and duplicates. KPI stands for Key Performance Indicator, which is unstructured data. Images. Data accuracy refers to correctness. Time series data example, daily stock price. Analytics lifecycle starts with data collection. IBM Cognos is mainly used for reporting and dashboards and the coding snippets. IBM Consulting. Next one is IBM Consulting mainly provides business and IT transformation. Consulting starts with problem understanding. Client requirement analysis means understanding business pain points. Gap analysis identifies the difference between current and desired state. Stakeholders are anyone impacted by a solution. KPI in consulting is used to monitor success, which is a consulting skill. Communication. Digital transformation involves automation and cloud. Change management handles people and process adoption. Business case includes cost benefit analysis. ROI means return on investment. Agile consulting emphasizes iterative delivery. Word document defines scope. SOW. Client workshops are used for requirement gathering. Risk mitigation means reducing impact. Consulting success depends on client alignment, which is not a consulting deliverable. Source code only. IBM consultants often work with enterprise governments. Value proposition explains client benefits. Consulting mindset focuses on problem first and the coding snippets. Next one is IBM Commerce. IBM Commerce mainly focuses on e-commerce platform. IBM Commerce is used by enterprises. Omnichannel commerce means multiple integrated channels, which is a core commerce feature. Checkout and payments, product catalog, stores, product details, cart abandonment refers to users leaving before purchase, which improves conversion rate. Personalized recommendations, payment gateway ensures secure transactions, which tech is used for personalization. AI/ML, order management system handles orders and fulfillment. Inventory management tracks stock levels, which improves performance. CDN, checkout latency affects conversion rate. B2B commerce differs by complex pricing and contracts, which data is critical in commerce analytics. Sales and user behavior. Recommendation engine uses collaborative filtering. A/B testing helps to compare user behavior. PCI DSS is related to payment security, which improves customer retention. Loyalty and programs. Headless commerce means front-end coupled from back-end and the coding snippets. Next one is IBM Experience Design. Experience design focuses on user satisfaction. UX stands for user experience. UI deals with visual interface, which improves usability. Clean design. Wireframes are used for layout planning. Personas represent fictional user profile. User journey maps show user interactions. Accessibility ensures inclusive design, which improves accessibility. Alt text. Design thinking starts with empathize, which is a usability metric. Task success rate. Responsive design adapts to screen size, which tool is used for design. Figma. Micro interaction improve user delight. A/B testing in UX is used to compare designs. Consistency in design helps improve usability. User feedback is collected via surveys and usability test. Heuristic evaluation checks usability principles. Design system provides usable components. Good UX results in higher engagement and the coding snippets. Next one is IBM Internet of Things. IoT refers to connected physical devices. IoT devices typically consist of sensors, connectivity processing, which protocol is common in IoT, MQTT, and sensors are used to measure physical parameters. Actuators perform physical actions. IBM Watson IoT Form is used for device management and analytics. Edge computing processes data near the device. IoT data is usually unstructured in streaming. Which network is low power IoT? LoRaWAN. Digital twin represents virtual replica of physical asset. Time series data is common in IoT. Device provisioning means registering devices securely. Firmware updates are used to fix bugs and add features, which ensures secure device communication. TLS. IoT analytics helps in UI rendering, real-time insights. Smart meters are example of industrial IoT. Which challenge is common in IoT? Scalability. MQTT is based on publish subscribe, which is not IoT layer. Representation. IoT security concerns include all of the above and the coding snippets. Next one, IBM Technology Support. Technology support mainly handles incident resolution. Incident management deals with service disruptions. SLA defines resolution time and availability. Severity levels indicate business impact. First level supports focuses on basic troubleshooting. Escalation occurs when issue unresolved at current level. Root cause and analysis finds actual cause. Which tool is used for ticketing? Jira. Mean time to resolution measures average fixed time. Proactive monitoring helps to prevent outages. Log analysis helps in issue diagnosis, which is a common support issue, network outage. Change management ensures rule deployments. Knowledge base is used for faster resolution. Backup and recovery ensures business continuity. Patch management fixes vulnerabilities and bugs. Monitoring tools track CPU memory uptime, which improves customer satisfaction. Clear communication. ITIL is related to IT service management. Support documentation includes SOPs and runbooks and the coding snippets. Next one is IBM Industry Solutions. Industry solutions are designed to solve domain-specific problems. IBM provides industry solutions for BFSI, healthcare, retail, manufacturing. BFSI stands for Banking, Financial Services, Insurance. Healthcare solutions focuses on patient data and outcomes. Retail industry analytics helps in demand forecasting. Manufacturing solutions optimize supply chain and operations. Industry ensures regulatory adherence. Government solutions emphasize security and transparency. Telecom solutions improve network performance. Energy sector solutions focuses on asset monitoring. Industry data is often sensitive. Domain expertise helps in better solution design. Regulatory frameworks include HIPAA, HDPR, GDPR. Smart factories use IoT analytics. Industry KPIs are used to monitor business performance. Fraud detection is common in BFSI. Industry dashboards show business metrics. Industry transformation involves data modernization. Industry solutions are usually customized. IBM industry solutions combine tech plus domain knowledge in the coding snippets. Next one is IBM System Services. System Services mainly deals with infrastructure management. IBM System Services include cloud servers storage. IT infrastructure includes servers, network storage. High availability ensures minimal downtime. Load balance helps by distributing traffic. Virtualization allows multiple VMS on one server. Disaster recovery is for business continuity. RTO defines recovery time. RPO defines acceptable data loss. Resiliency means ability to recover quickly, which improves resiliency. Redundancy, infrastructure as code enables automated provisioning. Patch management ensures security and stability, which tool is used for infra automation. Terraform, monitoring checks system health. Capacity planning helps to handle future load, which is a storage type as SAN. A backup strategy should be regular and tested. Infrastructure security includes firewalls and IAM. IBM System Services focuses on long-term stability in the coding snippets. Next one is coding round. We will cover the coding round. I will only speak the question number and problem. Log Analyzer Technology Support System. Problem statement: you are given a several logs as a list of string. Each log contains info, warn, and/or error. Return the count of each type. Okay. Second one is Cloud Auto Scaling Trigger. Problem statement is: given CPU usage percentage for servers, scale up is if usage is greater than 75. Here you go. Next one is IoT Sensor Alert System. Problem statement: sensor send temperature readings, trigger alert if temperature is greater than 30. Next one is problem password strength validator. Problem statement: password is valid if length is greater than or equals to 8, contains digit, contains uppercase letter. Next one is sales KPI evaluation analytics. Problem statement: check if the target achieved. Next, e-commerce cart total commerce. Problem statement: given cart prices, apply 10% discount if total is greater than 5,000. Next, chatbot intent matcher. Cognitive Watson. Problem statement: given user input, detect intent using keywords. Next one is infrastructure health check. Problem statement: if CPU is greater than 80 or memory is greater than 75, unhealthy. Next we will cover long problem question: smart log monitoring system. Problem statement: IBM servers generates logs in the format. Requirements are there, input output are there, approach is there. You can go through the code. Next is long problem 2: intelligent order fulfillment. Problem statement is you are given list of orders, warehouse capacity, limits, rules, input, output, approach, test cases, code. Okay. Next is super hard IBM problems are there. You can go through with the PDF. WhatsApp number is given in the video. You can take from the WhatsApp. We will cover next is HR questions are there. Okay, tell me about yourself. Why do you want to join IBM? What do you know about IBM? What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? Describe a challenging situation and how you handle it. How do you handle pressure or tight deadlines? How do you handle feedback or criticism? Are you comfortable with working in a team? What if you disagree with your manager? Where do you see yourself in 3-5 years? Why should we hire? Why? How do you stay updated with technology? What motivates you? Do you have any questions for us? And here we end the video. We have covered all rounds. If you want the PDF, you can message me on the WhatsApp number given in the video. Please like and subscribe, please.